guys, I'm Danielle M and welcome to my channel today. I feel like I need to give you guys kind of a little life update because I know I had talked to you guys a little bit about the fact that my husband was really sick and then life got crazy and I didn't really do a full update on here on YouTube, so I want to go ahead and do that. So my husband was really sick and it was just this battle for a long time of trying to figure out what it was. He ended up having, well, he has tons of kidney stones and he had a really large one that was stuck, so he went to try and get it removed and they weren't able to do it. And then he had to wait, like I'm like summarizing so much, but then we had to wait a week, went back and tried to do the surgery again. They did do the surgery that time and it was successful. However, he ended up getting sepsis from that second time. And so then he was in the hospital for that. And just between all of those things, I think I brought him to the hospital 7 different times. It was crazy. It was very stressful, especially the sepsis is so life-threatening. So we were so glad that we caught it in time and he was able to get to the hospital and get the antibiotics he needed. But then the antibiotics he was on from the sepsis ended up making him sick with something different. So it's just been crazy. Plus, you guys know we're moving. We actually are going to be moving out of this house that we're in right now in 2 days. We officially own our new home. Yay. If you're following me on Facebook or Instagram, you're kind of seeing some of those updates. If you're not, I'd encourage you to follow me over there so you can kind of know what's going on. So anyways, life has just been crazy busy with him being sick and with my kids' birthday parties. We just went to Florida and did that. And then now moving and packing and just wow, it's been crazy. So my husband actually went to 3 different hospitals, but there was one hospital in particular that's in the town that we live in right now where our rental is, and it's called Stoughton. And so there's a hospital in Stoughton that we spent most of our time at. That's the one he was at for sepsis, and we were there a few other times for different reasons throughout this whole journey. And it was probably the nicest hospital. My husband and I just cannot get over how nice everybody was on staff. It was just, we were saying like when we move to Madison, if we ever have to, God forbid, go to the hospital again, we would probably make the journey over here to Stoughton if possible to come to this hospital because it was just, they were so nice. He was so well taken care of while he was there and just meant a lot to us. And I guess something that Stoughton Hospital does for all of their clients who have a stay at the hospital is when you leave the hospital, they send you off with a loaf of like fresh bread, which is so funny. But that just kind of like, it's just like this homey, you know, like here's a loaf of bread to go on your way with you. So they gave us a loaf of bread when we left. And then about a week after his stay, we got this card in the mail. And inside the card is a note from all of the nurses and people who cared for him while he was there at the hospital. I have never seen that done before. I've stayed at the hospital a few times and I've never gotten a card from like the CNAs, the LPN, the RN. They all wrote him really nice little notes on here and then they signed it. And it's just another example of why we love this hospital so much. And so my husband and I, before we even got that card, had decided that we wanted to put together these little gift baskets to send to all of those who cared for him while he was there. And now I have a card with all their names on it. So it's like perfect because I know exactly who to make each of these gifts out to. And so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make these little gift baskets for the nurses and the other girls who were on the team while he was there, and we're going to go deliver them to them today. I had to do it on a weekend because these particular ones who cared for him are the weekend shift only. So they told us that when we were there. And so I could not record this video and go to the hospital and give these gift baskets to them until now, the weekend. So we're gonna go do it and hopefully they're gonna be there. So I'm excited to get started and I'm gonna show you guys now everything that I got for their gift baskets and we're gonna put them together. Also, you guys don't mind my super janky nail polish. I think I already packed my nail polish remover, and with the packing and moving stuff around, my fingernail polish has gotten like so messed up. So please don't be distracted by the mess that I am. But that's the current situation of life right now.
Even in the darkest night, you shine so bright.
So I just got this set of gift bags. There's 5 in here, which is exactly how many I needed because that's how many people signed his card. I also bought this tissue paper. This pink tissue paper is kind of what I wanted. I thought it would be really pretty with these paper bags, so we got those. I ended up going to World Market, and that's pretty much where I got everything from. It's either gonna be from Walmart or World Market, everything I have. I will show you guys. These are from World Market. They were $2.99 a piece. I kind of got like spa-ish stuff. Once I found these masks, I kind of just went with that theme. So each of the girls are gonna get one of those. They're all the same for those. The next thing I got was these gourmet sweet gummies, and I am not gonna lie, it's been so hard not eating these. I got these at Walmart, and they look so yummy. And then when I was cashing out, the cashier told me that they were like the best gummies they ever had. So I don't know, I'm taking the cashier's word for it, but he was like, those are the yummiest things. So I got some of those. They had a few different flavors. So I have wild strawberry, sour watermelon, and then I think I have another one, yep, and then tropical mango. So I also got these bath salts at World Market. They had a whole bunch of different kinds. This is lychee. Is that how you guys say it? Lychee. I'm probably saying it wrong, but these are lychee rose bath salts, pink peony bath salts. Let me see if I got a different kind. I think those are the 2 kinds I got. And then I found a whole bunch of these because I was trying to get things in a set of 5. I was trying to like be really careful about not spending over $5 per, you know, item, because that adds up when you're buying 5 of each. So these were, let me see if the price is on here. These were $3.99. And then I got these at World Market, and it's just a foot scrubber to like get off the dead skin and all of that. And I thought that was kind of cool to go with this spa theme, and these were only $2.99 a piece, so I got 5 of those as well. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna actually put some tissue paper at the bottom of this and then put these items on top of that. I just feel like that would look better. And then I'm gonna put the items in there, in that little hole. Make sure I don't forget anything. Yeah, that's looking like way better now that I did it that way. I'm glad I fixed that. What is a gift basket without some chocolate in it? So I had to get some chocolate, and these are my personal favorite chocolates. Not this necessarily kind, the fudge swirl, but Lindt chocolates are so good. You cannot go wrong with some Lindt chocolate. So we are going to throw some of these in there. So I just realized I'm missing one thing, so I'm gonna run and go grab that really quick. Okay, you guys, I moved to the floor because I needed way more space. But I do have one of these almost ready. I also got a whole bunch of these Frappuccinos, and I've never even had this kind. Another thing that I wish I could just have, not give away. But this one looks really, really yummy. It is called Brown Butter Caramel Frappuccino. Have you guys ever tried this one? Let me know down in the comments if this one is good or not. I've never tried it. And I also got this set of bath soaps. They're called Wildflower Scented Soap Petals, and I thought they were super pretty. Maybe we'll put the pink tissue paper here and then put one of the rose petals on top so you can see it. I just don't want it to get squished or messed up. So I think that might be what I do. I'll show you guys. And then also, you guys know, well, you probably know if you've been watching me for a while, that my husband owns a couple melting pots here in Wisconsin. And so we are going to be giving all of these gift bags some of these dip certificates. So I'm going to put 3 $50 dip certificates in each one of them, and so they can come in and, you know, eat some food. We tried to give one of his RNs, we tried to tell her to just come in and we would buy her meal for free, and we invited her to come to the restaurant, and she would not take that, you guys. She was just like, no, 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 I cannot accept that. So I'm hoping that giving them these, she'll accept those, and also the gift baskets. Hopefully she'll take these, and I will definitely keep you guys updated on that when we go. So this is kind of what we're working with. I'm going to put the pink tissue paper. See the chocolates down there? I'm going to put the pink tissue paper on top. Okay, I ended up doubling up the pink because it just looked like it needed more. So I'm opening up these wildflowers. They smell so good. I've never done anything like this in my bath either, so I'm interested how these work out. Okay, cute. I was hoping that they wouldn't fall apart, but they actually come in these little cups, so that's perfect. I'm just gonna try and make this look a little bit cute. Okay, so I just kind of put them right there, put some of that soap grass down there, the little petal, and then another little flower, and we'll do the rest of the bags and then see, you know, if we can add or what we can do. And we also have to put little thank you cards in each one, so we'll do that as well. Okay, you guys, I am almost done. We have all the gift bags made up. I just have to write these little thank you cards and sign them. Thankfully, I had some envelopes left out because I packed all of my other stationery already. And then I just found some white paper and I just cut it to go into each of these envelopes. So, quick little cards. Gonna write my name in them, put them in each of these, which are looking so cute. I will show you guys a better view in a minute, and we'll go bring them to the hospital. Okay, guys, how cute are these gift baskets? Oh, hey, Mr. Dog. Hi. Hey, you guys. I am outside, a little sneak peek of my new house, and Mr. apparently really wants to be in camera too. Go potty. I brought you out here to go to the bathroom. This is the biggest yard he's ever had. Oh, man. He just wants attention now. But, I am gonna be finishing up editing a video and posting it for you guys for this weekend, and I realized I never closed it out. The day that we went to the hospital and delivered those gifts, we were just running around the rest of that day, and I never closed out the video, and I'm just realizing so it's like a week later, I think, from when I recorded that video till right now. You guys are getting a sneak peek. This is our new house. Eventually we want to repaint this exterior. We were gonna do it first, but I'll tell you guys the plan in the next week's video for what we want to do instead of painting the exterior right now. We still want to do it, but it's gonna wait. But I am gonna do a house tour for the next video. Now, I told you guys I was gonna have a nurse video as the next video a while ago, and then it ended up being a birthday video. And so if something like that happens, don't get mad at me. Sometimes, I don't know, I forget my scheduling plan. But I think next week's video will be a house tour of our new house. I've got a whole bunch of new furniture coming that's not gonna be here yet. I probably will still have boxes out and things not organized. I still have lots of projects and things I want to do, but you guys can see like the raw version, which is still very gorgeous. Even though there's lots I want to do to the house, it's really pretty as is. So I just wanted to let you guys know kind of what happened at the very end of my nurse's video, which was we went to the hospital. I was carrying that huge crate of those bags for the nurses, and we went in and they basically told us like they didn't want us to go up into the hospital. And so they called Jennifer, and she came down into the lobby area, and we were able to talk with her there. We were able to give her the gifts and say goodbye. We actually did chat with her for quite a while though, my husband and I. And then a little while later, actually maybe it was the day after or 2 days after we had given those to her, she sent me a cute little text. She sent it to my husband for both of us. And so I'm going to show you guys the text that she sent us, just her saying thank you. Alright, there you guys have it. I hope you liked this video. Make sure if you have watched this far that you give it a thumbs up and like it. Maybe even leave a little comment. You know, that's nice too. And I'd love to chat with you. And I'm gonna see you guys to it. I hope you have a great day. Make sure you stay in the glow wherever you go. Bye, you guys.